The one thing that I cannot and will never forgive, and I believe I speak on behalf of every citizen, that is betrayal. Betrayal is just unforgivable. Najib lost power and went to prison because he betrayed the nation, and the rakyat punished. Mahathir lost his deposit because after that Mahathir betrayed the nation. Mahathir lost deposit. We all place our hope on PMX and Pakatan Harapan. Now I want to ask Pakatan Harapan, Parti Keadilan Rakyat, your creation was for keadilan. You deny that it was because of Anwar, although it started of Anwar. You deny that keadilan is because of only Anwar. So therefore what? You stand for keadilan for what? For rakyat. Now I ask Parti Keadilan Rakyat now. What keadilan is this? When somebody who steals 77 ringgit goes to jail for 7 years, but you prefer 6 years for somebody who steals 42 million. What keadilan is this? Parti Keadilan Rakyat? I want to ask Parti Amanah now. We trusted you to rule fairly, to uphold the aspiration of reforms, to govern rightfully, because you proclaimed to be an Islamic party and we did not want a bigoted party. You call yourself Parti Amanah. Amanah apa? What amanah is this? When the entire rakyat feels betrayed, you are part of the government. Parti Amanah, answer please. DAP, Democratic Action Party. Now, how democratic is this royal pardon? Democracy kah? Did you do a referendum on all the rakyat to see berapa persen yang kita agree to reduce and commute Najib punya sentence, and agree to give away 160 million balik pada the thief that is the reason for our billions punya plunder and utang negara sekarang ni? You act on democracy, Democratic Action Party, but Pardon's Board make a decision. Pardon's Board that lives in the tower of opulence, who will not be the least bit affected by removal of subsidies or introduction of taxes, who will have enough food and live in the comfort of their opulent life, makes a decision on behalf of everybody else, and we all have no say. Democratic Action Party. Jawab, demokrasi apa? Jawab, DAP. I ask the three Pakatan Harapan punya entities. UMNO, BN, I didn't vote for you. You guys were kleptocrats. You guys are kleptocrats. You guys will forever be kleptocrats. UMNO especially, and this is all caused by UMNO. PMX kita, yang supposed to be our dream Prime Minister, he just caved in. Why? To stay in power. To make reforms, konon. To change. What mother of reforms can undo and compensate for the desecration of our system of justice today? Answer, PMX. Semua ni aku nak tanya depan mata. Jawab pada rakyat. Your name of your party itself is hypocrisy. This is what you are. You have sold us out. You have cheated the nation. You slept with the devil, you dance with wolves, and you pretend to be sheep to us. We are no fools. This is treasonous, and you will be punished. Whatever I say to support or whatever, rakyat have their mind of their own now. We now see, and it's not something that's going to be forgotten. You want to know why it will not be forgotten? Nak tahu siapa tak? Because in coming months, you will be increasing SST. You will be increasing electricity tariff. You will be increasing air punya tarif. You will be removing pensions for penjawat awam baru. No doubt yang kerja government sekarang ni will continue getting the pension. Tapi anak-anak dia yang kerja kerajaan tak dapat pension. So, semua ni, all these cutbacks is for what? to cover the gaping hole that these kleptocrats created. The same kleptocrats which you gave back 160 million ringgit of our money that's supposed to come to us, back to the kleptocrats. You half dia punya sentence lagi on top of that. And you have the balls to tell us, oh, he'll be released in 2028. We all know 6 years, lepas 2/3 serving, he'll be out in 2026. So jangan nak temberang, you reduce practically dia punya jail sentence to 4 years. And lepas tu you reduce punya amount punya banyak, below 52.5 million, kalau 75% kalau discount, you bagi 76% discount, supaya 50 million, because kalau 1/4 is 1 tahun lebih. So takkan nak bagi 2 tahun kan? How to make it 1 year? Bagi kurang sikit, bagi 52 juta. Bagi 50 juta. Therefore serve 1 year. 1 year, jail punya, prison punya rules, 2/3 you serve, which is 8 bulan, keluar. So therefore Najib gets to stay 8 more months and not even pay that 50 million. Value for money. Bukan dia duduk regular jail cell pun. You believe Najib is in regular punya jail? He is just enjoying somewhere in some government quarters or whatever. Nama saja prison. He just can't roam around freely. Itu yang dia punya pain point. 50 million will not even be paid. So therefore, rakyat is deprived of 210 million. This is just one case. And these Pakatan Harapan that we voted for, yang tak cukup kursi je pasal pair up dengan UMNO and GPS, jawab. Orang Sabah Sarawak tanya GPS, whatever the meaning of the party is, what does Abang Joe and the rest have to say? Jaga hak rakyat Sabah. Nak bagi balik kat Sabah dengan Sarawak, minyak, royalty, macam-macam helah. Bit by bit, and why they pendek? Pasal dia perlu sokongan Sabah Sarawak. They do this. Tapi it would have been sooner, it would have been more development could have gone to Sabah and Sarawak kalau we had enough money, but because of the gaping hole created by the kleptocrats, we are in deficit. We don't even have money to develop even kat Semenanjung pun. But in the same breath, we give back 160 million back to the pencuri that caused all this. Done by the people that we trust. Khianat to the utmost, they call themselves amanah. Bloody exceedingly unfair, and they call themselves keadilan. Hypocrisy at its highest peak.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.